What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. So today's video is going to be a huge jewelry haul video. Wedding season is right over here. I'm invited in each and every weekend. किसी ना किसी की तो शादी हो ही रही है. That also means lot of clothing, ethnic pieces and also jewelry, because jewelry can literally make or break your outfit. I found such cute and amazing pieces from Amazon and budget friendly bhi hai. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with something sweet and simple and then we'll dive into the heavier sets that I got. This one is an anklet from this brand called Yellow Chimes. इन लोग से मैंने पहले भी कुछ तो ऑर्डर किया था, वो बहुत ही अच्छा था quality wise. And this is how it looks like, and oh my god, it's so freaking pretty! Yay, it's very pretty, yeah? This is an evil eye anklet और ये double layered है, as you can clearly see. इस पे evil eye है, it has some emerald raw pendants and also two more evil eye. और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है यार पैर पे. I love the layered look. The only problem I have is I think it's gonna lose the color if it comes in contact with water, or I think overall throughout the years it will tarnish. But I feel price wise, and also this is something that you'll easily get on H&M और उसका price will be $7.99 and above, because इसका quality बहुत ही सही है and I'm really happy with this purchase. A big thumbs up. Okay, for the second item I picked up this fancy purse. I would like to say it's so beautiful ना. I love the black and the gold contrast. I feel ये color combination ना majority सब कपड़ों के ऊपर चला ही जाता है. ये इतना safe proof option है I feel, but the quality is so freaking good. ये suede material है, again gives a very luxurious look. अगर आप कोई नज़दीक से भी देखेगा ना, कोई बताएगा नहीं कि इतने कम प्राइस में आपको मिल गया है. ये जो गोल्ड डिटेलिंग भी दिया हुआ है ना, ये प्रिंट नहीं है, ये एक्चुअल वर्क किया हुआ है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है, कहीं से भी कुछ निकला हुआ नहीं है. तो क्वालिटी इज रियली गुड एंड आई लव दिस टॉप एज ओवर हियर एज वेल, जो ओपनिंग दिया हुआ है. क्वालिटी वाइज 10 out of 10 आई वुड से. लेट्स ओपन दिस बेबी अप. ओह, इसमें ये चेन भी दिया हुआ है इफ यू वांट टू वेयर इट एज अ स्लिंग बैग, एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. इट हैज गुड अमाउंट. लेट्स सी इफ मेरा फोन जाता है क्या इसके अंदर. ओह, इट डज. दैट मीन्स ये फंक्शनल भी है एंड आई फील फोन रखने के बाद भी आई हैव गुड इनफ स्पेस टू कीप अदर स्टफ. इसके अंदर इट ऑल्सो हैज दिस कपड़ा, सो your stuff is not gonna get spoiled or anything. The quality is really good, especially for the price that I'm paying. I would say a 10 out of 10. Now let's move on to the jewelry sets that I got. The first one is from this brand called Zename. When in doubt, bling it. Yeah, I did order for this rose gold set. Rose gold एक ऐसा कलर है जो सब पे मोस्टली चला ही जाता है, and it has this beautiful diamond detailing all over. Like look at this. Wow. Also the quality, I must say I'm really surprised, because हर एक चीज़ जो भी मैं open कर रही हूँ, the quality is 10 out of 10. This one again, the quality is freaking 10 out of 10. It's soft, it's not super stiff at all. तो आपके गले पे ना easily वो mold होके properly set भी हो जाएगा और आपको prick भी नहीं करेगा. कहीं से भी मुझे ऐसे rough edges नहीं दिख रहे हैं, which is really good. ये बाहर अगर आप लेने जाओगे ना, anyone will cost you literally I think 1000 के ऊपर ही कोट करेगा, बिकॉज आप बिड टू मल्टीपल ज्वेलरी शॉप्स और उनका स्टार्टिंग प्राइस ही यही होता है 1000-1200. एज दिस इज अ सेट एंड द प्राइस दैट आई पेड ऑन Amazon इज extremely budget friendly, I must say, and it's 10 out of 10. The quality is really good. This is how the earrings look like. Again, it matches perfectly and I feel कि ऐसा सेट है जो आपके पास एक तो होना ही चाहिए और ये सारे कपड़ों के ऊपर चला जाएगा. So yeah, a big thumbs up from my end. Next, I picked up this pearl choker set. Again, pearl is something that will go with a lot of items that's already in your wardrobe. Next, I picked up this pearl set. Very beautiful. I do own something very similar to this. So मुझे actually order करना था to compare the quality. Does it match the one that I have? And actually the quality is really good. I'm very surprised. मैंने actually 1200 or 300 something I paid very similar to that, and this one is such a budget friendly option. The quality is actually really good. और ये एक ऐसा सेट है ना जो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कपड़ों के ऊपर चला जाता है, बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. इट्स अ चोकर, इट कम्स अलॉन्ग विद द इयररिंग, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट दैट. एंड या इट्स अ वेरी प्यारा सेट एंड आई लव दैट स्मॉल छोटू जो रेड कलर के बीड्स डाले हुए एज अ कॉन्ट्रास्ट. व्हाइट एंड गोल्ड कॉम्बिनेशन है. इट विल गो विद अ लॉट ऑफ सेट. सो या द क्वालिटी इज रियली गुड. आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद द परचेज. जो भी मैंने चीजें ऑर्डर की है, ट्राई टू कीप द कलर पैलेट इन द न्यूट्रल साइड, जो सब कपड़ों के ऊपर जाए, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट. हर एक साड़ी, हर एक कपड़ों के ऊपर एक अलग सेट तो नहीं ले सकते. वी वांट समथिंग दैट विल go with a lot of items that's already in your wardrobe. So that was my try. Next I picked up very similar to the one that I showed you already. I wanted to give you guys like style options in the same pearl category. तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा similar है but बहुत ही ज़्यादा different भी है at the same time. So this is how it looks like. Again, it's a choker and it does come with this pearl detailing. बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है यार. Look at it, it's looking so freaking good, and of course it comes with the matching earring, but the look of it, the feel of it is really good. बहुत ही प्यारा लग रहा है. सब बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा है, इतना बजट फ्रेंडली ऑप्शन में मिला है मुझे. I would say कि it does feel a little stiff than the previous one, but बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है यार. ये मैं डेफिनेटली रखने वाली हूँ. I know I can pair this up with so many options. Again, it's a neutral color palette. You can literally pair it up with so many options, and ये majority of के Indian wear के ऊपर जाने वाला है for sure. I feel this is something that you can definitely pair with a western option as well. अगर आपको like boss lady kind of vibes देना है with an ethnic touch. The next pearl option I got is this one. Again, it's a choker. And this is how it looks like. ये बहुत ही simple है but stunning है. Look at it, so freaking beautiful. Pearl थोड़े heavy feel के है, बहुत light और flimsy नहीं है, which I like. ये बीच का जो stone दिया हुआ है, इसका quality is not that good. Also इसका packaging, it just came in this thing, that's it. But इसमें मुझे कोई hard plastic case नहीं दिया हुआ है. This is the only thing that came along with it. But overall, it's a very simple, plain choker. It does come with a lot of different colors. तो ये जो बीच का stone है, it does come in a lot of different colors. तो जो भी आपका color palette हो, आप उस हिसाब से आपका choker ले सकते हो. Quality wise, I would say it's a really good quality. So yeah, a big thumbs up. It does come with the earrings as well, and this is how it looks overall. Next, I got something from Zaveri Pearls. So ये particular set ना मैंने एक beautiful साड़ी लिया है जो wine purplish shade का है, और उसके ऊपर jewelry find करना ना has become a task for me. And as soon as I saw this on Amazon, I knew I had to get my hands on them. But let's see इसका quality कैसा है. Packaging wise, it came in this box and उसके अंदर ये वाले packaging में है. They did not give me any hard like that plastic case. Okay, so this set did come with a lot of different things. It has the choker, it has the earring, it also has this ring. Oh, एक छोटू सा मांग टीका भी दिया हुआ है. जैसे मैंने इसको निकाला, the touch and feel, the back of it, and just overall, I would say the quality is not 10 out of 10. I would give it a 5 out of 10. The quality is actually really poor. Also, ये जो stone दिया हुआ है ना, इसका यहाँ पर pointed end है. I mean, if I wear it, it will definitely poke me. अभी तक जितने भी मैंने ज्वेलरी निकाले हैं और ट्राई किए हैं, सबका क्वालिटी इससे 10 times better है. Overall, ये जो stone work भी किया हुआ है, doesn't look really well finished. I'm not feeling this set actually. So yeah, this is how it looks like, just for the referencing. Next, I picked up another pearl option, but ये choker नहीं है. This is more on the layered section. Suppose if you are wearing something really deep और आपको पूरा गला भर के कुछ चाहिए, और if you're not wearing some deep blouse and you still want something layered, ये बहुत ही ट्रेंडिंग है आजकल और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लगेगा. I feel. Let's see how is the quality. Again, packaging wise, it did come in this beautiful plastic case और इसका भी quality काफ़ी अच्छा है. So I think it will definitely help you with storing this little item. I love when jewelry comes with this particular casing. Store करने में बहुत ज़्यादा helpful हो जाता है. And ये भी था protective case इसके लिए. बहुत ही प्यारा सेट है. The touch and feel of it is really good. और ये जो पर्ल है बहुत ही ज़्यादा हैवी भी नहीं है, आई वुड से इट्स अ मीडियम क्वालिटी, बट ये जो स्टोन वर्क दिया हुआ है ना वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है। आई फील ओवरऑल इट्स गोना लुक रियली रियली प्रिटी ऑन साड़ीज एंड ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट यू वांट टू पेयर दिस अप विद। ये आपके वेस्टर्न वेयर पे भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा। आपने कुछ बंद गला पहना हुआ है, एंड इफ यू वांट समथिंग हैवी टू लेयर दिस अप, दिस इज अ परफेक्ट ऑप्शन। ये इसके इयररिंग्स के साथ बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है, एंड ओवरऑल फॉर द प्राइस दैट आई एम पेइंग आई डेफिनेटली फील दिस इज अ 10 on 10 option. Next, I picked up something that again will go on majority of the items, and I mean it. This is a beautiful kundan set with emerald pearl on it. This also came with this plastic heart set, and look at this beauty. This is gonna look so freaking good on majority of your sarees, majority of your dresses. ये जो कुंदन सेट है ना, आई फील लाइक हर एक के सेट में ना ये कुंदन सेट तो होना चाहिए। इतना प्यारा लगता है। यू कैन हैव अ सिंगल वन, यू कैन हैव इट मल्टी लेयर्ड वन एज वेल। जितना भरा हुआ लोगे ना, आपको जितना भरा हुआ पहनना पसंद है आप ले सकते हो, बिकॉज दिस लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल। ये एक ऐसा सेट है ना जो वेडिंग में दुल्हने भी पहन सकती है, बाराती भी पहन सकते हैं। बहुत ही प्यारा सेट है। ऑब्वियसली ये रियल कुंदन तो नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट स्टोन, but it kind of gives off the illusion that it is a kundan set. मेरे पास एक actual kundan set भी है, and I know I wear that to death. So this is something I feel it's a very versatile piece, and you will get the money's worth. Trust me on that. It is a set. It does come with this beautiful earring matching one, and overall I feel quality wise I would give it a 8 out of 10. It's not 10 out of 10 kind of a quality. Next, again I picked up something layered in the Kundan family. Oh, it's broken. अरे यार, बहुत केयरफुली निकालने वाली बिकॉज ऑलरेडी ये टूटा हुआ आया है। बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है यार। दिस विल बी सच अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन टू लेयर, और ये पूरा आपका गला ना भर देगा। स्पेशली जो बंद गला ब्लाउज होता है ना, उस पर ये भरा हुआ नेकलेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लगता है। Look wise it looks premium. Let me tell you, it looks really premium. Quality wise it's very similar to the previous one. बहुत ही ज़्यादा similar है actually. I would give it a 8 out of 10. It does come with the earrings, so this is how it looks, the overall set. Next I picked up another choker pearl set. Can you see my obsession with pearls and chokers? I feel like ये ऐसा option है ना जो majority of the items पे चला जाता है, and I really like the look of it. So this is from this brand called Suki Fashion Jewelry. Let's see how it looks like. So एक ये box में आया है, and then it inside it's in this plastic bag. It was wrapped in this thing. Let's see how it looks. Again, it's a set. It has this matching earring as well. This was a bestseller on Amazon, so I definitely wanted to pick up few of the bestsellers to see इसका quality कैसा आता है, and the quality is really good. ये heavy है, wasn't expecting that. जो इसका pearl है वो काफी heavy है, so I feel it's of good quality and it's gonna sit really well on my neck. ये जो सर्कल और ये जो आइटम है ना, यहाँ पर आई वाज फीलिंग कि ये थोड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल होगा, बट नहीं है। इट्स राउंडेड, द एजेस आर राउंडेड, सो इट्स नॉट गोना पोक ऑन योर स्किन, व्हिच इज गुड। एंड द प्लस इन दिस आई फील कि इसमें बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस हैं, लिटरली बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस हैं। तो आपको कलर कोऑर्डिनेट करना है तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली चूज द कलर दैट यू लाइक, but I chose white because obviously neutral will go on a lot of items. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I feel like it's really good quality and I would give it a 10 out of 10. How can I end this haul without showing you guys temple jewelry, right? Temple jewelry, again something that you must have in your wardrobe, especially if you wear or you like South Indian sarees like Kanjivaram silk sarees. This will pair up really good और ये ना पूरा गला भर देता है, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लगता है। Ooh, the quality is really good. और ये मैंने ना एक लॉन्ग ऑप्शन में चूज किया हुआ है, और इसका मैंने एक चोकर भी लिया हुआ है, वो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, but this is in the longer form. When it comes to temple jewelry, I feel like layering is the key. You can definitely wear one choker and one long form of it and you're good to go. You don't have to wear literally anything else. And oh my god, the quality is really good. I'm so surprised. I was not expecting such good quality. इसमें लक्ष्मी बनी हुई है and the color combo as well, like pink and green. Again, it will go with a lot of items. It has pearl detailing and the quality, I would say, is something that a bride can wear and can easily pull off. I would give it a 10 out of 10. बहुत ही प्यारा है. Again, it comes with a matching earring as well. This is really good quality. Grab it. This is the last item that I got, and this is again a temple jewelry. This is in the choker form. So I wanted something long and I wanted something choker as well. It's a rose gold-ish, but the color is different. I feel the color is definitely different. Again, bam! This looks so freaking good. Wow. Matchy earrings भी दिया हुआ है. If you don't want to wear anything, you just want to wear a nice big choker, this is it. The color is beautiful. It has nice neutral colors. एक white pearl detailing भी दिया हुआ है at the bottom, which again ties really well. The colors जो दिया हुआ है, pink and green and everything, it looks really pretty. I would give it a 10 out of 10. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below आपका favorite item कौन सा था. I'll put all the links in the description down below. Also मेरा Amazon store link भी मैं दे दूँगी जहाँ पर सारे products एक साथ properly listed रहेंगे. You don't have to go through each and every link. With that said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I think आपको अभी next साल में मिलूँगी. So advance में Happy New Year. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high.